shit.
Oh damn! You see it arcing on the ground down there?
Come on. Watch it back up, son.
Come down there, here.
You must have an iron ore here.
The grave was the first time you kissed her and all this shit on there, you know, way back where the grandkids can't sit until y'all dead and gone. You know, that's what I do on it. 2012. Damn. That's when you were born, boy.
I was waiting to drop kick you real quick.
Use oil on it too. I like that.
He don't
red.
like this darker wood.
I tell you what, it's too dry. It's the problem. You gotta saturate that shit.
Get them bones a little longer too, bro. Like 7 foot.
Yeah, Brent knows about the wood burning.
But what about 7 foot now?
You're about 3 foot too far from it.
Yeah, and when
And
he said
I
that,
think
What do you mean? Far
the
from what?
leads
we use
were
shit
losing
like
power.
Well, yeah, especially since these are,
Yeah.
deteriorating already.
Well, not only that, the length of it.
Yeah.
just
When he said that, I was like,
expansion of the
wow.
wire takes
It makes all the sense to me in the world.
See, I've got 4 alt power wire in there I was going to use, but we decided we'd try it with these first.
Some jumper cables.
Hey, bro, that's great. You doing a wonderful job, man. I mean, it blows. It blows a lot of shit I see out the water. They do
I'm
say
not
they-
happy with it yet.
But you,
It's getting there. Yeah,
what they
look,
call that?
I seen a partner of mine that says he does this. He was talking about how good it was. I saw it and I'm like, huh? I wouldn't tell nobody, dude.
Hold up.
Yeah.
I got some shit in my house, man. These so-called professionals do it. It's basically the same, other than instead of lightning, they go with more of a cypress look to it. Cause I got some lighting and shit at my house, but that's where you gotta start.
You gotta crawl
You
before
can't
walk.
just jump on the 4th rung of the ladder without throwing the back 3.
I love that.
I do too, bro.
That excites me.
I feel like we're X Club. Hunting out here, so we better. I'm not gonna say anything.
What is the humming? Is that the fan in there humming?
No, that is not the fan. That is just the
Jimbo over there humming.
power supply.
Okay.
Unplug it. We need to turn that fan on. I mean, hook that fan back up.